What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is WC-40345-6. Credit card or debit card information is invalid. It's a simply payment method error. So I'm just going to show my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Let's go to the settings here simply, and then you just go to the information and wait for the information about it, and then the account management information, and here you got the security, wallet, and a profile and address. You must check the address also and check the wallet. Then go to the wallet here. Sometime your correct information is expired. Our purchase settings set on the no, that to need the ask it the password or something, payment method. Here you get your payment method, you add PayPal, correct information, or something else, a phone number, and in different region or different payment methods, you just simply add it from here. If you already have one, then you just delete it and add a new one. If your credit card information is expired, you can set it from here, delete the old one and set the new one. And sometime you're adding a credit card information as a different region and your PSN account from the different region. So that's why you get this type of error. Your payment method is invalid or not working. So you must have the same region in your PSN account or your credit card, and then your credit card information is the same from the region. You just add it. So simply that's how you can do it. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.